Welcome to 30 Days of Food as Medicine Challenge, and today we're going to be talking about bloating. Gas and bloating are often caused due to the diet we eat. It's not what exactly you eat, but how you eat it that matters. Chew your food slowly and thoroughly. A simple change like this can truly bring about a drastic difference in your digestion. The number one recommendation is ginger. Ginger has an element called as gingerol, which basically expels the gas, soothes the intestinal tract, and aid digestion. It promotes digestion. You can have either ginger tea or have raw ginger included in your meal plans. Second, probiotics like yogurt, kimchi, kefir basically take care of the gut flora, balances the gut flora, and reduces the bloating and aids digestion. Number 3, fennel seeds, the natural carminative. Fennel seeds contains enethol that basically relaxes the stomach lining and reduces the gas formation. A teaspoon of fennel seeds after meal could truly be very helpful. Number 4, hing, the gut soothing spice. Hing is anti-inflammatory in nature. It is excellent in reducing the gases and aids digestion. Integrate these small tips into your daily routine and see the miracle happen. If you want to know more about such natural tips, don't forget to follow me.